back, everybody. It's day 2, Missouri turkey season. Yesterday was windy, terrible weather. Today we got a bird hammering about 80 yards on the limb. Beautiful weather. Birds are chirping. It's gonna be a good day. Stay tuned. Smoking. Yeah. Yeah, son. Yeah, yeah, got him. Smoked him, son. Got him. Yes. That was awesome. Big old bird. Yeah. He came in on a string. I got set up this morning in between him and his hens. I had to walk under his hen. Yeah.
Hey.
Big bird down.
Hey.
Hey. Oh boy.
Where at?
Out here north of town on Carter's.
Carter's, okay.
Well, looks like a plan came together this morning. You talk about a fun, exciting, fast hunt. That was this morning to a T. I was in here yesterday morning on opening day, and I heard a few different birds gobbling around in the 40-mile-an-hour winds, and it was cold, and they just weren't working for me yesterday. Neighbor fired off a shot real early, and then they shut up. Well, last night I came out here, sat in the pickup, I heard a bird fly up, so I was going to give it one more shot this morning. Beautiful morning, not a cloud in the sky, not a piece of wind. It's beautiful. They started firing off about 5:30, 6:15, he was on the ground. I snuck under his hen, got between his hen and him, and he read the script perfect. No decoys, run and gun, self-filmed. You can't ask for anything better than that. Grandma's 20 gauge rocked another one at 45 steps in the timber. Thank the Lord. What a beautiful spring morning. Tag 1 is punched here in Missouri. Now we wait to wait till week 2 and get back after them. I hope you guys enjoyed the hunt. It was fast, it was short, but sometimes that's the best way to do it.